Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my fjallraven kanken mini. I already filmed this video like 2 years ago while I was on a trip, and the video actually did low-key well like on my channel, but it was like super unplanned and disgusting, so I'm redoing it because I just got a new backpack and I'm outside. It's also 10:58 in the morning. I wanted to come out early before like people started coming because I can't film in front of people. So let's get started. Also, you should definitely follow my Instagram that I have for this channel. I'll leave it linked down below. Sorry I'm like squinting. Clouds honestly blind me and it hurts. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so one thing I really like about this backpack is it's like huge. Like it fits like so much stuff, but it's still like in a small compact way or whatever. So I'll start off with the two side pockets. On this pocket, I just have a plastic bag and it has a pair of gloves. Don't worry, I reused the plastic bag, but it's just so I have like clean gloves if I need to go to the grocery store after or whatever. And I have more gloves in my car. And then on this side, I just have a plastic bag. Don't worry, still being reused. With the face mask that my mom got me. It just has daisies on it, and I keep it in a plastic bag, so like just to make sure it doesn't touch anything else, because you gotta stay safe. Rona is serious. And I honestly hope that everyone's like staying safe, staying inside, and it'll be over soon eventually. So in the small front pocket, I just have my inhaler because I have asthma, and especially when I'm skating, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. And then I have my AirPods. Gotta listen to The Garden. Honestly, when I skate, I only listen to The Garden and the Buttertones. Like The Garden, their new album especially, it just gives me so much motivation to actually like try harder, and it grows my balls so I can like skate. Cause I'm like I'm one of those people that's like scared of falling. I also have breath strips. I always have breath strips with me, even though I'm not talking to anyone. And I have this like mini Hollister perfume. It honestly smells pretty gross, but I don't know. I just have it in there. And then I have Sunbum coconut lip balm and Carmex fresh cherry lip balm. Now onto like the large pocket. Okay, I have like a lot of stuff in here, so I'm just gonna like pull them out randomly. I have a pack of wet ones. I use this to like wipe my steering wheel. So like I use this for my hands. And then I have this lotion because washing your hands makes your hands like super dry. Everybody knows that. And I have my lanyard that has like the key for the screen door in my house. But like, I have like my car key and my house key on my overalls. And then I have my portable charger and a charging cord, as well as a block, just in case I need to charge my phone. And then I just have 2 packs of Paw Patrol fruit snacks. You know, gotta love fruit snacks. There's nothing much to say about that. I just like fruit snacks. And then I have 2 hand sanitizers because sometimes I forget. Oh, I also have been keeping hand sanitizer strapped to my pants. Like, if you see me out in public, I always have hand sanitizer on my pants, no matter what I'm wearing. But these are just in case I forget, because sometimes I forget if I like leave the house quickly. This is just one from Target, and then this is one from Bath and Body Works, Peach Bellini. And then I have a pack of gum. I like chewing gum a lot. I have another pack of Listerine breath strips. And the last 2 things I have in my fjallraven kanken mini, I'm kidding, in my bag is my wallet. This is the wallet that I use like whenever I go to concerts and stuff, but I just started using it more often because it's like super small and convenient and handy. And then I have oil absorbent wipes because my face gets oily. So yeah, there's honestly not much. Sorry. I'm sorry if that wasn't interesting. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and like as I said again, stay safe, stay inside, wash your hands. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm actually going to be posting a lot more. And, oh my god, there's a cute dog. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm going to record this on my phone so you guys can see. Hey. Oh, you can't. Look at that good boy. What a good boy. Aw, he ran away. Ah, I love dogs. Ah! Okay, anyways. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and have a dandy day. And don't forget to do the do. I used to always say that, and then I stopped. That's why I stopped. Shred the gnar. I'm kidding. I'm gonna skate now. Rocking the Birks. Whoa! Rocking the Birks, but I have my shoes in the car. Yeehaw, brother.